teachers are also authority figures of our school. They have many responsibilities. One of their responsibilities that is very important is to teach children how to read, write, do math, science, and social studies. They are also here to help you become good friends and good citizens and to make friends. Um, they are also here to make sure that you are secure and that you're being responsible, that you're being safe, and that you're being respectful. This year, especially, they're making sure that you are safe by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and following the distancing rules against the spread of COVID-19. They are also very fun and they are here to make sure that you enjoy your day at school while learning very important things so that you may grow and realize all and have all your dreams come true when you become older.